జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 6th చాప్టర్ ఆత్మసంయమయోగము 19th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, when there is no wind, the light, the lamp does not flicker. The lamp will be lighting with all of his light constantly without flickering. So that means the light which is coming out from that lamp is not flowing in different directions. It is standing there. It is staying stable. So also Atma is like a lamp. As and how lamp has light, Atma has Jnanam. The embodiment of Jnanam is Atma. Now the wind is Manas. Manas with so many desires is like a flowing wind. As and how the flowing wind makes the lamp's light flicker, so also with so many of desires filled up with mind makes the Atma Jnanam light, the Jnanam flicker here and there. Whereas if there is no wind, if the wind is completely paused, as and how lamp is lighting without flickering, so also if there are no any other kind of desires in the mind, the Atma Jnanam also lights so very well with a stable state and steadiness. That is how Sri Krishna Paramatma comparing a state of yogi who has no desires in his mind and whose mind is completely absorbed in thinking of Atma, then that yogi will be enjoying Atma Jnanam, Atma Darsanam and Atmanubhavam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yadha deepo nivatastho Nengate sopama smruta yogino yata chittasya yunjato yogamatmanaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Vidura reached Prabhasa Tirtham, there he came to know that Dharmaraju is now ruling the kingdom, and he also came to know that all Kauravas are killed. Now Vidura from Prabhasa Tirtham, he went to Saraswati Nadi, the banks of the sacred river Saraswati. There he visited 11 divine sacred places. Those are Trita, Usana, Manoscha, Prudhoradhagnehe, Asitasya Vayoha Tirtham Sudasasya Gavam Guhasya Yat Sraddha Devasya. Those sacred places are Tritam, Usanam, Manu, Prudhu, Agni, Asita, Vayu, Sudasa, Gava, Guha, Sraddha Deva. He enjoyed those places, and then he started visiting so many devalayas, temples which are built by great rishis and great devatas. While visiting all the places, while visiting all the temples, Krishnam Anusmaranti, he is constantly, continuously remembering, meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma, thinking about Krishna Paramatma. In fact, every place is helping him remember Sri Krishna Paramatma. From there, he continued his Tirtha Yatra, going through several kingdoms like Saurashtra, Sauvira, Matsya, Kuru, Jangala. And from there, he reached the banks of the sacred river Yamuna. There, Tatra Uddhavam Bhagavatam Dadarsha. he visited Mahabhagavatottama Uddhava, the great devotee Uddhava is there. Vidura visited Uddhava. Uddhava is Bhagavata Saroja Lochana Drudha Bhaktun Sadguna Visaradu Shantuni Deva Mantri Sishyuni Mahita Prasiddhuni Uddhavun. That Uddhava is a very close friend of Vasudeva. And Uddhava is the one who has control upon all of his senses, who conquered all of his senses. Uddhava is the disciple of Brahaspati. Uddhava learned ethics, Niti Shastram from Brahaspati. And now Vidura is visiting Uddhava. The moment Vidura has seen Uddhava, Alingya Gadham Pranayena Bhadram, with so much of love and affection, Vidura gave a tight hug to Uddhava. Now Vidura is asking Uddhava, "Oh Uddhava, how is Sri Krishna? How is Sri Krishna's family? How is Sri Krishna's friends?" And O Uddhava, Chaturmukha Brahma, when he prayed, Balarama and Sri Krishna, both of them born, Paramatma himself born as Balarama Krishna to bring Loka Kalyanam, to confer welfare to the entire world. That is how Balarama Krishna are born. How are they doing? O Uddhava, please let me know how is Vasudeva doing. O Uddhava, please let me know how is Pradyumna, the army chief of Yadavas, how is he doing? Like this, Vidura asking several questions to Uddhava. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Dhyayanti ye Vishnum Anantam Avyayam Hritpadma Madhye Satatam Vyavasthitam Samahitanam Satata Abhayapradam Te Yanti Siddhim Paramancha Vaishnavim. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 19th sloka. Yadha deepo nivatastho nengate sopama smruta yogino yata chittasya yunjato yogamatmanaha. Yadha deepo nivatastho nengate sopama smruta yogino yata chittasya yunjato yogamatmanaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.